Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. Today's topic is how to find median, mode and range of a given question. Question number 1, find median of this given series. As the series is not in ascending or descending order, first arrange this series in ascending or descending order. "53, 55, 56, 59, 61 and 69. Second step is count the number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values, so n equal to 7. Check this number is even or odd. As this number is odd, so use the formula for the median n plus 1 divided by 2. N equal to 7, 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 divided by 2. So 4 term is the median. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 56 is the median of this series. So answer of this question is 56. Next series is given. This is also not arranged. So arrange, first of all, arrange this series in ascending order or descending order. I am going to arrange it in ascending order. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. First step is arrange in ascending or descending order, and next step is find the number of terms, either it is even or odd. As there are 10 terms, so number of terms are even, so n equal to 8. The formula of even for even terms equal to m equal to n by 2 observations plus n by 2 observation, n by 2 plus 1 observation. What is n? N is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4th. So 4th observation plus n is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the result is 4th observation plus 5th observation. What is 4th observation? 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. 4th observation is 70 and 5th observation is 75. Divide whole divided by 2. So result is 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 7 is 14. 145 divided by 2 is 72.5. 72.5 is the median of this question. Next question. As you can see, the series is already given in ascending order and there are some unknowns which are x. How many numbers of term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you can see in the previous question, 4th observation plus 5th observation, which was middle value. So in this case, what are the two middle values? You can apply the shortcut. This term plus this term whole divided by 2, as we have done in the previous question. 70 plus 75 divided by 2. So the median is given. Median is 62. Find value of x. So it will be x plus 2, this term plus this term whole divided by 2 equal to 63. It will be 2x plus 2 divided by 2 equal to 63. By taking 2 as common, this result in x plus 1, cancel 2 with 2, this will be 63. So by moving this 1 on the other side, 63 minus 1 equal to 62. So value of x is 62, and what will be the next term? It will be x plus 2, and 62 plus 2 is 4. 64. So first term x will be 62 and x plus 2 next term will be 64. The next question is find the mod. The series is given. What is mod? Mod is that value which repeats maximum time in the series. So check how many times 15, 17 and 16 is repeating. 15 is repeating 3 times and 16 is repeating 1 time and 17 is repeating 2 times. So which value is repeating maximum time, which is 15. So mod of this question, this series is 15. Next question is find the mod. So check the most repetitive values. 1 is repeating 2 times, 5 is repeating 2 times, 6 1 time, 7 1 time, and 9 and 2 so on 1 time. So see, in this question 2 are same. 1 and 5 are repeating 2 times, which value is same. So the mod of this question is part 2, which is 1 and 5. Next question is find the range. Range is maximum value minus minimum value. So check the series. In this series maximum value is 100 and minimum value is 1. So 100 minus 1 is the range of this series, which is 99. Next question is find range. The series is given. In this series minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 104. So maximum minus minimum, 104 minus 1 is 103. Like and share my video and subscribe my channel.